Hi guys, it's Cindy from Sister Saving You Cents, and I am, we are back with another video. I went to Food Line today. Tamika wanted me to check out the buy two get one free deals just to see what was unadvertised and versus what was in the ad. So they have a promotion running. It's the buy two get one free. You know, they always put them in these little things right here. These deals run from March the 25th through April the 7th. So I'm going to jump right in. All of these deals are $2 and under. Some of the coupons may be regional. I'll talk about that as we go. So the first deal I'm going to talk about, and I'm also going to add some pictures. So I'm going to step to the side because I'm going to try to put the pictures over here. So the first deal I'm going to talk about is going to be the Armand Hammer. It's not in here. And honestly, y'all, I did not look at the ounces, but you can see it in the picture. So once I put the picture up, you'll be able to see it. They're 2 for $7. There were 75-cent Peely coupons on them. And I have some. Hold on one second. I'll be right back. Sorry. So these are the Peelies that were on the Armand Hammer. Let me try to unpeel this so we can actually look at one. Okay. They look just like this. They are in the picture. Okay. This kind of upside down. But there you go. And they do say do not double on the back, but it's Food Line, so that doesn't matter. So anyways, I would use 3 of these because it's buy 2, get 1. When you do that, it's going to save you $2.25 off the $7. That's going to make each of the Armand Hammers $1.58 each, which is a pretty good deal right now. It's pretty much stock up price. You know, we typically stock up when it's like $2 or less. We like free or 99 cents, but $1.58 is not bad. Next up is going to be the TGI Friday snacks. This is the 7.6 ounce to the 11 ounce. These are right here. These are some of our favorite goodies to get. They're going to be 2 for $6. And so when you buy 2, you get your 1 for free. So we're buying a total of 3. These are going to end up being $2 a piece, which is a really good deal. So a few things that I mentioned the first time I tried to record this video, and I left so many things out that I had to re-record, which is the video that you're going to see, is that with the fact that we don't have a lot of products in stock, you might have to mix and match. If you have to mix and match, try to mix and match with things that are similar price points. So something that's 2 for $6 or 2 for $5, just try to do it that way. Okay. Next up is going to be the Dannon Lit Light. I cannot talk. I tried to say lit and fit. We cannot be lit and fit. Anyways, the Dannon Light and Fit yogurt or the Activia yogurt. These are 2 for $4. These are the 4-pack varieties. Here is the picture right here. So of course, if we buy 3 of these, it's going to be $4 for 3. So it's a really good deal. That makes them $1.33 each. I would definitely pick these up. Next up is going to be the Betty Crocker fruit snacks. This is the 4.5 to 8 ounce. This is listed here. This includes Gushers, y'all. I love some Gushers. So they're $1.69. We're going to buy 2, get 1 for free. We do have a coupon. This could be regional, $1 off of 2 and Smart Source 2.9. If you don't have the $1 off of 2, you can use the 50 cents off of 2 from Smart Source 2.9. If you have the $1, it makes them 79 cents each when buying 3. So, and you're only going to use 1 coupon. It's a really good deal. Okay. Next up is going to be the Kleenex wet wipes and the Kleenex tissues. Both of these are priced at $1.49. It is not in the ad, so just kind of keep that in mind. I don't actually think I need the ad for anything else. Well, maybe the vitamin water. Anyways, they're $1.49. With the Kleenex wipes, we do have a printable that's a 50 cents off of 1. If you print 3 of these, if you can, that may take 2 devices, a phone and like a laptop. They'll be 49 cents each. So that's a really good deal for these wet wipes. Also, if you want to pick up the Kleenex because you have some runny noses or something like that, we have a 50 cents off of 3 that is a printable. And it's Kleenex as well on the Kleenex website. We'll link that down below. Those will be 82 cents each. Next up is going to be the vitamin water. The vitamin water is on sale for $1. Let me pull up the picture for you. If you guys like these, it might be a good time to grab a few of these. When you purchase 3, it's going to make them 67 cents each, okay, or 66 cents, one of the two. It just depends on, it's weird how math works, but you know what I'm saying. Anyways, we thought that was a pretty good deal, especially under $2. Also, let's see, did I finish everything? I did. Great. Okay, so those are just a few deals that we found. If you guys find anything else, let us know what your places have in stock. And there's also some other really good deals on this list as well. So just make sure you pick up the paper, look at the ad. I typically use the Flip app, so that's a great way to look and see what all is on sale. It's a really, really, really long list. Not everything has coupon matchups, but we wanted to bring you what we felt like were the best deals under $2 with the buy two, get one free deals of the week at Food Lion. And so if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks guys so much for watching. Bye.